What's going on, YouTube? Just letting the other members get in the live stream before we kick things off here. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video, guys, if you already haven't. It really does help the channel grow, guys. First stock we're going to talk about here, and that is STAB. Stab's volume is extremely high currently, guys. Great news on today's trading. As you can see here, they did acquire TLR5 platform, guys. This is huge news. Acquired it for $6 million, and this company only has a $17 million market cap currently. I do believe that this company will be trading around 50 cents here shortly, guys. Estimated borrow fee currently, though, is only 1.36%. It isn't that high, but it is technically hard to borrow, and expect this thing to rise higher as far as its estimated borrow fee goes. Turnover rate currently is extremely high at that 126%. It gives me slight chills here. Yo, Willie is in the building. Shout out to Naomi. Let's check out Ader. Yo, what's good, Justin? Ader so far spiked at that $5.79, guys. It looks likely we will be passing that here. What's going on, Nard? Estimated borrow fee here in Ader, though, is extremely high, guys. Shorts isn't liking the stock currently, far as shorting it. Yes, sir. Dr. Henry is in the building, guys. Shout out to Dr. Henry, one of the yo wonky donkey. ARTL, do I believe it is the beginning of a run? Well, ARTL did have some huge news, guys. Basically, with its preclinical data, did come out positive. Very, very good, if you ask me, guys. That is one of the products that they have been developing for quite some time. To see that the data came out positive on early studies is big news. But it isn't just going to shoot the stock in one direction from here on out. But far as that 78 cent here spiked here quickly, guys, and I'm talking quick. These first 3 minutes of the pre-market, guys, we saw 753,000 shares move across the board here in ARTL. On the 1 minute chart, this 1 minute alone bought 106,000 shares into play, guys. The second minute, 417,000. Huge volume rushed into this thing quickly in the pre-market, and we did see a volume rush here the first quarter of trading. Seeing stagnant trading right now, but if we look at the markets all over on all three scales of the major indexes, guys, they are all doing well currently. And we're seeing drawbacks here at these peak stocks. If we take a brief look and check out KLDO, though, the selling pressure that did occur here in the pre-market hours, guys, quick reversal. Peaked at the 50 cent levels after opening here in the pre-market at 20 cent. Extreme shift to the upside. Do I believe this thing is done running, guys? It is looking like the volume is at a steady pace currently. Slightly under the VWAP now, but this thing is showing signs that it is going to continue to run with that 331% turnover rate. It isn't as high as expected, especially when the stock shoots up this quickly, guys. You tend to see a much higher turnover rate than that. Estimated borrow fee isn't too high, though. And oh yeah, guys, if you haven't hit that thumbs up yet, guys, this is your chance to do so now. We got 50 people watching and only 22 thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. It really does go a long way for the channel. GFAI estimated borrow fee is extremely high, 173%. Currently, turnover rate is nice and low, though. We'll take a brief look and check out the order flow distribution from the last 5 days of trading. The large-scale orders have been outpacing the large-scale inflow day after day, dragging this stock down overall. If you take a brief look and check out the day chart, last 3 days of trading we do see a slight downtrend. Okay, the volume though has been on a downtrend as well from the 13 million from yesterday's 8 and currently seeing 2.3. I do believe that we will be seeing around 5 million tops in volume here in GFAI. I know it's early to say that, guys, but the volume is looking like this thing is going to slow down here pretty soon. BBAI HTB is at 849%. Extremely high. We're close to the analyst high price target, which is $14. You see $12.50 on today's trade. Recently, we hit that 16.12. We see this wedge getting tighter here, guys. The stock is ready to make a shift. Shout out to Krypton. All right, we're gonna check that out here in a second. Mullen is seeing a soft trading day here so far. Only 18.28 million shares in volume, guys. Looking like we will be falling below that 120 that we see here on average here in Mullen. What's good? Going green. Around 315. That was close towards VWAP prices. Let's check out the 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart looks healthy. Okay, volume, turnover rate is low. It's size up large scales in the last 5 days. Today, even though we are receiving more selling on that large scale, we do see a gap in favoring the small scale in this stock. Estimated borrow fee, it is technically hard to borrow with that 5.82%. Let's go back to the day on this thing. I do think this may be headed back towards the $3.45 level, $3.45 levels here. This week, guys, we only have one more trading day, sadly. But I do believe that we're going to see an interesting 2 days of trading including today. So it's possible Mullen may just, in fact, have some news in store for us. We know anytime Mullen drops news, the stock tends to go berserk, guys. So don't sleep on it. But BITF looks like a buy if you ask me at these prices. Anything under 330 seems solid to me. Stab slowly creeping lower and lower. And turnover rate not too shabby currently, but we're seeing profit taking on a medium scale. A large scale outflow slightly picking up with that small scale showing buying pressure on it. Guys, I don't think this stock isn't done going to the downside, but as far as that 44-cent high we hit on today's trading, looks like we will be passing that here pretty soon though. Not saying today this may be turning into a swing, guys, but 44 cent will be broken at STAB. Huge news, guys. That platform that they're acquiring is going to be huge. Don't sleep on it. BFRI currently is seeing some buying pressure. This has to be some news. Okay, they have the nod for the disease therapy here. Looks like it had halts on its way down. Trap money. Consolidating lows are getting higher here. Let's keep our eyes out on it. Anyone in BFRI currently? BFRI looks good. We may be approaching those 580 levels here. BFRI, guys. Here pretty soon. If you did miss your opportunity to sell at that 612, guys, 580 looks in store for us. My boy Bones alerted it on that first hope. Guys, quit sleeping on our Discord. If you're not a part of it yet, trust me, you're missing out. You are missing out if you're not a part of the Making Easy Money Discord, of course. Let's see what Green talking about. Folks, we have to get out of this push button mentally. You will have tons more money just buying stocks that you intend to hold for at least a few weeks. Sometimes it happens faster, but we have to be 70% investment, 30% flip. Guys, listen to my man's Green. He's not telling you anything wrong. All right, please do that. It does make a lot of sense, don't it? Shout out to my boy Going Green for dropping that knowledge. One eye Willie said, "On me, you did." Willie, hidden shot calling you out on your on the bag holding the TMC, man. What you got to say about that? What you got to say for yourself, Willie? Hidden shot is throwing shots. TK say the audio is good. Back to pie. Huge drop for a huge recovery. Is that in store so far? We peaked here at 1225. Slightly creeping above the VWAP right now. Turnover rate looks in our favor, especially from a recovery from a big drop like that. More selling on the large scale, but get this, guys, with huge buying on the medium and small scales is pointing to a retail investor frenzy, which can cause stocks like this to actually trade beyond its fundamentals. Estimated borrow fee currently right now is 24.55%. Extremely high. 12.25 being the high, guys. Let's check here. 15-minute chart. Looks like we will be breaking that 12.25 here on today's trading. Not saying we will close and hold above those levels, but 12.25 looks like it will be broken here. BFRI price target. One moment. Just going through the live chat. Stab, for being a biopharmaceutical company, has a very low institutional presence here. With this news actually coming out, I'm pretty sure we're going to see institutions pile up in this play here pretty soon, even though we do see large-scale difference in favoring the inflow. I do see this thing actually seeing this type of inflow favoring pattern tomorrow, as well as a few days next week, guys. I do see this thing actually reaching 50 cent levels off the news. I don't think This is going to be the only trending day from this news, guys. CEI, when we gonna fly? We gonna check out SBFM. SBFM's buying pressure here. This pre-market hours got cut off, guys, by a drop in price off of low volume. And then we did see a little streaky volume rush into here, guys, but we do see large-scale orders taking place, dropping the stock. Some people call it short ladder attacking, but obvious large-scale engagement. And oh yeah, guys, for all the new guys in the back, if you haven't hit that thumbs up just yet, guys, make sure you leave a thumbs up on this video. It really does help the channel grow. YouTube recommends the video to new viewers. The more thumbs ups we get here. So do me a favor, stop what you're doing, smash that like button, and drop a comment in the live chat. Shout out to Colin, one of the Making Easy Money YouTube channel membership members. Team got in at BFRI. At 4.8. Is that safe? Risky play if you don't have any type of buying pressure to back up a down, average down situation. If you can't average down, then yes, you are at risk. AGRX. Downtrend from its open. But coming down to that 19 cent though. Very interesting on 38.5. Turnover, order flow distribution. Last 2 days we did see in favorment of the large scale inflow, but on today's trading we're seeing that a drawback is happening on the large scale orders. This stock may be breaking its low, which is 19 cent here on today's trading. We may be seeing it low at 17 cent here. My boy Monroe want to see AMD. Let's check and see what's going on with AMD. Will AMD break $100 this week? I don't think so. I do think we will come to those 98.40s here being our high here this week. But as far as breaking $100 here, I don't think it is going to happen this week far as AMD goes, guys. But long-term play, I do feel as though this is a better play than NVIDIA. Me being heavy in this field, I understand which product is better to me personally, guys. And with AMD chips being in most of the newer game consoles, that speaks for itself alone. I do believe that this is much better than NVIDIA, guys. But that is just my opinion. Now, if we take a brief look and check out the large-scale orders in the last 5 days, we have been seeing large-scale orders pile up here in AMD. We do see in favorment of the large scale here, slightly gap here. The big gap came on the 11th of this month. Well, actually the 8th of this month, guys, which that was in favoring the outflow. But the very next day we did see somewhat similar to that. 66 people currently watching. Let's see how many thumbs up we got, guys. $56 thumbs up. Guys, if that is you and you forgot to leave a thumbs up on this video, can you please do so immediately? Let's break 60 likes here on the channel. Got 4 more minutes of this brief live stream. Guys, we will be having another one here today. The last 15 minutes of the trading day and the first 15 minutes of the aftermarket. So we're going to run another 30-minute live stream starting the last 15 minutes of trading. So make sure you get over there, guys. Don't miss it, all right? But before, let's take a brief look at Stab. Stab now is at 33.73. Sideways trading volume is starting to slow down here. That is starting to get concerning. Easy 40 cent. My guy going green is calling. Strong 5-minute chart. Well, it is a low trading volume stock. Volume is extremely high in comparison to that average. Let's look here on the day chart. Yesterday coming in at 733,000. Day before that 7. Last time this thing peaked over 1 million in volume was the 31st. We're gonna break that easily here on today's trade. WW may be a nice buy, guys. Don't sleep on this one. One of the making easy money in-house analysts going green is calling this an easy 40% gainer, guys. Don't sleep on it. Maybe you want to get over there to the Discord immediately and see what he's talking about. Let's check out XPON. With the spike in volume. Drastic spike in volume. XPON is on the move. Look at that volume ticking up. Turnover rate jumping though. It's battling us. Volume rush here in XPON, guys. You might want to get in it. Quick day trade. Maybe going back to the 540s. Now we're seeing that turnover rate kick in. Let's see here. Finally got the 60 done. Okay, guys, it is currently time is up. We will be having another live stream here on the channel. The last 15 minutes of trading during the trading day, as well as the first 15 minutes of the aftermarket. So do not miss that live stream. Guys, make sure you get over to the second YouTube channel, which is called Flight Financial. I am going to be dropping a video on that channel here within the next hour. So make sure you guys get over there and check out those day alerts. So with that being said, guys, may the gains be with you.